Ladies and gentlemen, you are watching Monday Night Raw. We are 3 weeks from WrestleMania. And King, after the events of the last 2 weeks, we now know that the United Kingdom is imploded from within.
Well, the former members of the United Kingdom, Sheamus, Drew McIntyre, Wade Barrett, and William Regal, will all compete in a Falls Count Anywhere Fatal 4-Way match at WrestleMania.
And as an extra added stipulation, since the former United Kingdom members hold all the championships, the winner of this match will win all the gold.
All the titles? That could be a WWE first.
That's right, King. This will be an unforgettable WrestleMania.
Stakes are too high. I need to get the advantage going into this match.
I have nothing to say to you.
Well, I have something to say to you. We each have an opportunity at WrestleMania to hold every championship. It's in our best interest to work together.
That's old chestnut. You know I can't trust you.
I don't expect you to. But what I do expect is that you want to win that match. So do I. All I'm suggesting is that we work together to take out Barrett and McIntyre. Once they're out of the picture, I'll defeat you. Until then, I suggest we work together.
I didn't think there were any snakes in Ireland. Shall we?
After you. Hey!
Oh! How is he still on his feet? What's taking the officials so long to break this up?
Caught the leg. Wow.
He really bounced back that time.
Big mistake.
These men are absolutely unloading on each other.
Oh, that's not right. Oh, these brawls always make me nervous. There's so many awful things that can happen.
Not today, sunshine.
Well, that's it.
I don't
Come on,
think
guys.
so.
There's no need for this. Oh, man. I can't believe he just did that.
These guys are just bringing it.
Enough.
I can't believe that didn't just knock him out. Ladies and gentlemen, this isn't what WWE's about. This is nothing more than some unruly free-for-all.
You can't beat me.
I don't think so.
That did it.
See you fellas at WrestleMania.